everybody, today we're playing with Sofia the First portable classroom playset. This is going to be so much fun playing school with Sofia. Let's open this right up. Let's take a look at Sofia first. She is all ready to learn, don't you think? She's gonna do so good at school, learning all the things she needs. She can sit down very nicely in her chair, and she's ready to learn, and she comes with her own little backpack. And the backpack even opens. We could put something right inside. It doesn't have anything in it yet though. Let's go ahead and put her backpack on. Put it there and there. Bring her arms to the front. And there, she's ready for school. Isn't that fun? Brilliant. Let's open this and get a better look. I love that we could take this with us anywhere we go. Ooh. Wow, it's got lots of things inside of it. Let's see what we have. We have a globe where you could see all the way around the world. Do you know where you live? Do you see your city or your country? That will be lots of fun. Let's go ahead and put the globe way up there for now. We have a little pond. And we can put the pond right here. We have a little desk and a chair. She loves studying outside. Let's see what's inside. Let's put the globe down there. Let's see what's inside of her case. Her locker! She could put her book back in there or anything else she needs. And then on this, we have a bookcase. And on the back, we can learn our potions. So let's put our potion making stuff right here. And on this side, we're going to add a book. And we're going to set that right back here. There. She also comes with a charm. You see the charm? And we're going to put the charm right back here. We could also put it, I think, up at the top. Like that, like a picture. Uh-oh. Her book came out. Let's put the book back inside. There we go. We also have a pen for writing. It's a feather pen. We'll put that right into the inkwell. And now she's all ready. Oh, I hope I'm not too late. I sure have been in a hurry today. Nothing's quite going my way. Let me put my backpack into my locker. There. There's so many other things I could put in there too. Maybe like my little animals to play with. But now I really do have to sit down and start doing my work. I'm running behind. Okay, while Sofia starts working, Amber has decided she's coming today, and she's bringing some charms to put on the wall. knock, knock. Hello? Is someone here to see me? Yes, it's me, Amber. Well, come on inside. Hi, I brought some charms for the Royal Preparatory Academy. I hope you're going to let me stay too. Oh, yes, of course. Studying is so much fun with friends. Let's go ahead and put these charms up here on the wall too. Oh, look, there's so many there already. What are you studying today? Well, I thought that I should be studying my charms. Would you like to study with me? Sure. Here, let's stand by the water while I push my magical button. Wow! Look, we can learn our charms. Our charm book is right here too. There. She has her book all ready for her right over there. Okay, well, I am definitely ready. Why don't we move our desk over here so we can read our book and figure out what we need next. That sounds like a good idea. Oh, it says we need 3 drops of the purple potion. Do you want to get the purple potion out? Sure, I'd love to. And where do we put the purple potion? Why don't we put it right here on the potion pad? Choo, choo, choo. That was 3. Looks great. It also says we need 5 drops of the pink potion. Well, look, I have a pink potion right here. I'll put this one in. 5 drops. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Wow, okay, let me see what it says next. Next it says 3 drops of green potion. Oh no, I don't have any green potion. Well, why don't we make some out of Play-doh? That sounds like a brilliant idea. We're going to make a square type potion pack. We're going to make it, squish it down a little bit, squish it here, squish it there, squish it everywhere. And then we're going to bring this up to the top so we have something to pour it out of. Well, that's a very big bottle. We're going to curl that down. And that looks like a nice little jar. Okay, here's the green potion. It says 15. 15? Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, wow. That was a lot of potion. Let's mix it up. Woo, woo, woo. But what did you make a potion for? You're just gonna have to wait and see. It looks like it's working. I hope I did the right spell. I did what was in my book. It is moving around. Let's see. Wow! Look at that. I made a beautiful bouquet of flowers for my mother. Well, that's certainly a way to do it. That sure was fun. I hope I get to come to school with you again someday soon, Sophia. I'm sure you could. It's so much fun to study together and to practice and get really good at things. See you next time, everybody.